man.
Not really.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a girl, Chevy G. I know it's been a while. But the girl is here. She's alright. It's been a long while since I've come on here. Every day I'm trying to come back, as I normally say, but you know, sometimes laziness just take over. So update, Chevy's still working. Still have my job, the same job. But what's new about Chevy? Sorry guys, I'm on the road. So if you hear truck noise and other vehicles, I'm actually heading to the beach. Chevy has not been out for quite a while, you know. Chevy just staying at the house, and it's like from home to work, from work back home again. Sorry, I'm waiting on someone. Yeah, that's just how my life is going. Yes, some of you might know already, might tell some persons, but I'm just making it out here. Yes, Chevy is expecting 4 months. Quite excited. It's my first child. I'm very excited. So that also, other than me being busy before, that I one of the reason why I can't come. I can't come do no videos, or you know. It's not like I've been sick. I feel like this is a good pregnancy. You know, some people have a lot of vomiting and sickness, feeling sick all the while. Thank God for Jesus. Not saying that I haven't been nauseous and all like that, but I'm not sick. And that's a good thing, right? That is a good thing. What else? No. We'll show you the belly later. Yes, we'll show you guys the belly later. Can't read. Me can't. Me not a car. Me can't move. Belly there. But you'll see later. I'll try and take a picture. I'll do a little video on the beach. Chevy just feel like she want to come out of the house, you know, take a walk, and not even walk, a drive. Because I haven't done that in quite a while. I haven't been taking out myself. You know them way there? Not take out myself. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just trying to head to the beach now to, you know, get a little enjoyment, because I've been enjoying myself in quite a while. Yeah. What are you pregnant? Eh, God. Yes. In my old age. I'm not old. Oh, for that, no. I'm going to Iris Clinic because I'm over 30. But Chevy is not old, right? I attended the Iris Clinic. I was recently told that because of my situation, which I don't want to say it right here, am I going to preterm labor? But at 32 weeks, but you know, with God in the midst, that not gonna happen. happen, it's just so, right? That's just it. If that's how it's supposed to happen. But I'm not thinking about that. Not thinking about that part right now. I'm quite fine. I'm healthy. I do take my vitamins now and then. I was never a person that likes to take pills, but I'm healthy so far. The baby is healthy. The baby is very active. All of this is new to me, and you know, maybe I share it with you guys. My cousin been telling me, say, from telling my family that I'm pregnant, my cousin been saying to me, you must start back YouTube, you must this and you must that on YouTube, mate. But Chevy just lazy. Okay. But anyway, guys, I'll take you on the journey to beach with me. I don't know which beach I'm going. We were thinking, we have a chat rubbish as usual. We were thinking of going to Margaritaville or Mahogany Beach. Yeah. So that was just a little update on Chevy's life. No, Chevy not married yet. But I do panda finger there. Chevy's not married. Chevy's still single. But I'll take you on the journey with me to wherever we're going. You know I'm alone rich. I always, most of the time, if it's not my family, I'm by myself. Right? I'm traveling with my cousin. Yes. Sometimes it ain't fun. But you know, who know me? I have one best friend. She couldn't make it. So I miss me never want to come. So I'm here say, you know, why not go try and, you know, just come out of the house, get a different scenery. You know, I'm used to watching. But you know, get a different scenery. As them say, different breeze. You know, I'm gonna have to go salt water, wash off my body. You know, say a long time she not do that. Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Soon come back. Don't move.
People who are paid a wage in a room somewhere on Earth, looking at me, thinking, how do we wreck his life? How do we take his stuff and put him in jail? That's kind of a scary thought, no? Isn't that kind of crazy? If you knew there was 10 professionals in a room trying to destroy you. So I'm sure they're trying to take my car and my... I'm not sure, but when I see these little nerds, like, I hate you so much, it just makes me happy. I don't know, I can't, I'm just like, I love it. I'm like, I know you do. If you're not hated, if you don't have haters, what have you achieved? If there's no one on earth who doesn't dislike you, then you must not have an opinion.
So Chevy having Starbucks for the first time. Yeah. Grab a drink. Whatever that was. It was good, not as we expected. So lunchtime, guys, you know Chevy go with that belly. Chevy ever hungry nowadays.
Watch it greedy, man.
So guys, it's that time of the evening where you know we have to go home. I hope you enjoyed the little vlog that I did. You know, as usual, tell a friend to tell another friend. Come over and check out Chevy J's lifestyle. See you soon, guys. See you soon.